Hello and welcome to ManuscriptEdit's podcast. This is Sushri Sangeeta and you are listening to the first episode of our new podcast series, Types of Scientific Articles. In this episode, I will talk about original research articles, their structure and significance in various fields. This podcast series will run throughout September on Scholar Hangout. Fresh episodes release every Friday. So let's dive into today's podcast topic, original research articles. In academia, original papers are the crown jewels. They represent the essence of scientific progress, innovation, and knowledge. These meticulously crafted documents are the result of countless hours of rigorous investigation, experimentation, and analysis. Original research papers are not just records of scientific findings, they are the gateway to expanding the boundaries of human understanding. So let's explore the significance of original research papers, their structure, and the pivotal role they play in advancing various fields of study. Original research papers, often referred to as primary research articles or peer-reviewed papers, are the cornerstones of scientific inquiry. They embody the core principles of the scientific method: observation, hypothesis formation, experimentation, and conclusion. These papers serve as the primary mode of communication within the scientific community and are essential for sharing new discoveries, theories, and insights. The research papers are the driving force behind the innovation and progress in various fields. They push the boundaries of what we know, often challenging existing paradigms and sparking new avenues of research. Innovations in medicine, technology, and other domains frequently have their roots in these papers. One of the distinguishing features of research paper is the rigorous peer review process. Before publication, experts in the field scrutinize the paper for its methodology, results, and conclusion. This process ensures that the research is of high quality and meets the standards of scientific rigor. Original research papers serve as reference for future research. They are cited by other scientists, building a web of knowledge that connects different studies and researchers. The number of citations a paper receives is often used as a measure of its influence and importance in the field. The structure of a research paper. While the specifics can vary across disciplines, a typical original research paper follows a structured format that allows for clarity and easy dissemination of information. Here is a general outline. First of all comes the title. The title should be concise and descriptive, providing a glimpse of the paper's subject. Next appears the abstract. It is a brief summary of the entire paper, including the research question, methods, results, and conclusion in a structured format. It serves as a snapshot that helps readers quickly assess the paper's relevance. Next comes the introduction. This section sets the stage by introducing the research question or problem, providing context, and explaining the paper's objective. Often, a review of existing research on the topic helps readers understand where the new study fits into the broader body of the knowledge. Next is the methods section. In this section, the authors describe the methods and the techniques used to conduct the research. It should be detailed enough to allow other researchers to replicate the study. In the results section, findings of the study are presented, often through tables, figures, and statistics. It should be objective and free from interpretation. In the next section, that is the discussion section, the authors interpret the results, discuss their implications, and relate them to the research question. They may also acknowledge limitations and suggest areas for future research. Often a comparative discussion is given while comparing the existing results with previous ones. Next is the conclusion section, where the authors summarize the key findings and their significance. It often reinforces the paper's contribution to the field. Lastly, a list of references used in the paper. A list of citations for all sources referenced in the paper is given. Additional materials are provided in the appendixes, such as raw data can be included in the appendices to support the research. Let's discuss the significance of original research papers in different fields. In medicine, research papers inform clinical practice, drug development, and our understanding of the diseases. Papers detailing clinical trials, disease mechanisms, and treatment strategies are critical for advancing healthcare. Research papers in the field of physics have led to groundbreaking discoveries. From the theory of relativity to the Higgs boson, they form the basis of technological advancements like semiconductors and lasers. In the field of biology, research papers shed light on the complexities of life from genetics to ecosystems. They drive advances in biotechnology, medicine, and conservation. In the digital age, computer science papers are pivotal for software development, algorithms, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Nextly, social science papers explore human behavior, society, and culture. They inform policies, shape public discourse, and help us understand complex social phenomena. Original research papers represent the culmination of intellectual rigor, creativity, and perseverance. These papers are not just records of discoveries, they are the keys to unlocking new frontiers of knowledge. They shape our understanding of the world, drive innovation, and inspire future generations of scientists. As we navigate the ever evolving landscape of research and discovery, original research papers remain our steadfast companions, guiding us toward a brighter, more informed future. This is it for today's episode. Hope it was informative and interesting for you. Tune in to Scholar Hangout to listen to our fresh episodes every Friday. Until then, post in your queries and suggestions at ManuscriptEdit.com or mail us directly at support@ManuscriptEdit.com. Happy listening!